Hi, this is Erica Jones. Today we're going to be discussing about Brigade's most upcoming ultra-luxury project in Kokapet, Hyderabad. We're going to be diving deep into the details and give you more information about the location, amenities, specification, configuration, floor plans, and the pricing. So this is going to be the most iconic landmark and the tallest tower in Hyderabad skyline so far. This is from the top A-class developer in India, that is Brigade Group. Welcome to Brigade Gateway Neopolis at Kokapet, Hyderabad. Nestled at one of the most coveted corners of the Golden Triangle, seamlessly connected by the Nehru Outer Ring Road and the iconic Movie Tower Road. It guides you to the Brigade Group's exceptional project, the Brigade Gateway Neopolis. Spanning 9.7 acres with over 6 acres dedicated to a mix of commercial high-rise building, a resident-exclusive clubhouse and lush green areas. Standing tall at 58 floors, Brigade Gateway Neopolis offers an exclusive collection of 594 beautifully crafted apartments, including 3 and 4 bedroom duplexes, an expansive duplex of about 9,860 square feet. Strategically located in Kokapet, Hyderabad's booming commercial and residential hub, Brigade Gateway Neopolis ensures you stay interconnected with everything that matters. Top educational institutions such as Chirag Public School, Birla Open Minds, and Rockwell International School. Healthcare facilities, AIG, Healthcare, and Continental. IT giants nearby are Gachibowli IT Hub, Infosys, Microsoft, and Wipro IT Park. Exceptional hospitality and convenience with the Brigade's very own Sheraton Hotel. There are other hospitality options such as Marriott and Hyatt. Shopping malls and multiplexes nearby are Inorbit Mall, IKEA, D-Mart, Sujana Mall, and JVK Mall. Landmark and key destinations are Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, High Tech City, Osman Sagar Lake, American Consulate, upcoming metro station, and Outer Ring Road. Brigade Gateway Neopolis offers an upscale living experience with 1.5 lakh square feet of top-tier amenities, including a 700 feet infinity pool inspired by Singapore's Marina Bay Sands, landscaped gardens and exclusive entertainment areas, well-equipped gym, indoor sports courts, resort-style pool, and a spacious event facilities. The development boasts 7 floors of Orion Mall, 25 floors of World Trade Center, and India's first intercontinental hotel. Brigade Gateway Neopolis ensures exclusivity and convenience. Access to this mixed-use development is via a 100 feet wide road, complemented by dedicated entry and exit points for residences and commercial zones. Brigade Gateway Neopolis is designed by globally renowned architects such as Beitel Association, FBI, and our very own B Design Studios. This project embodies sophisticated design and cutting-edge construction. Each floor, from the 1st to the 33rd, offers 6 simplex units, featuring 3 and 4 bedroom configurations. The 16th and the 25th floors serving as refuge floors. Floors 34th to 51st include 5 simplex units per floor. Also, in 3 and 4 bedroom configuration, with 41st and 51st floors serving as refuge floors. From 52nd to the 56th floors, there are 5 duplex units per floor, ranging from 5 to 6 bedrooms. For more details on specifications, you can contact us on the link given or call on the number in the description. The residencies at Neopolis are designed to ensure harmony with only east and west facing units. This attention to detail ensures a positive living environment. Choosing from configurations like 3 bedroom simplexes starting at 3,065 square feet or opulent duplexes spanning up to 9,860 square feet. Prices starting from 4.12 crores onwards, reflecting this landmark development's unmatched value and luxury. Thanks for watching this video till the end. You have my contact number right there on the screen. You can call us up and we can try and get you the best unit at the best price. This project is on expression of interest, that's also called as EOI. You can call us up and to discuss more about the details.